Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Z60 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, find the screen recording toggle, which for me is visible right over here, but you might find it on other pages as well. Anyway, once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It will allow you to choose what kind of sound will be recorded. So we have mic and system, and you can record both, though I would recommend using headphones for that. And then we have a close and also record button. So I'm gonna tap on record. Once you're done recording, you can stop the recording by clicking on the square, and this will save it to your Photos application or right over here. Navigate to. Okay, so on this device we have albums for some stupid reason visible, well, nowhere. So you have to go to the name right here instead of having the typical albums. So click on screenshot, and as you can see, it will show up with the screen recording. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.